Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I install my wigs and do my makeup. So if you'd like to see this video, then definitely keep watching. I started off by braiding my hair into a little chunky bits because I'm not too great with braids, and I've just gone ahead to put a wig cap on that. And now I'm just going to apply some got2b glued styling hair gel on my hairline where I'd like my wig to lay. And as you can see, I've gone ahead to style my wig and pin it down on my very fugly mannequin. So it'll make it easier for me to just pop it on my head and get it to sit where I want. But that's up to you. You can style it however you want, on your head or off your head. That's perfectly fine. I just prefer to do it this way. So I'm just going to spray some got2b hairspray on my hair to get that glue tacky. I'm just going to go ahead and bop that wig on my head now and try to put it in place and let it sit how I'd like it to sit. So y'all, this is why I never get ready on time. I'm forever vibing to Afro beats. Yeah, hey, allow that fam. So right, I'm gonna pull the wig on my head and now drag it into place so it can sit right on top of that hair gel that I use as a glue, but it's not a glue and it will come off if you just wash it off with water. But if you want something for more stronger holds, then definitely check out some more holding products that could be used. I'm just going to hold it down for a few seconds just to make sure that it actually sticks and gets into the glue. And then I'm just going to tie it with a little piece of scarf. You can use whatever you have. I just do this method because I feel like it helps it lay a little flatter and it just sticks really nicely. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into the makeup. I've gone ahead and done my brows off camera, and right now I'm just going to highlight my brows with a very light eyeshadow color, or you can use a highlighter. This is just because I like my brows to pop a little bit, so it just helps gives me that extra definition. I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow, and I always go with some sort of a subtle color in my crease depending the type of look you're going for, but I always try to avoid putting shimmer in my crease because it almost never looks right. So I'm just going to make sure I blend that light orange shade into my crease really well, because you want your eyeshadows to look like they're going together and not like they're about to pop up on each other, okay? I'm just taking a different brush and going in with some cocoa dark shades, just blending that into my crease as well and down to the corner of my eyelids, because I just want it to look so seamless and blended, and I'm not trying to go for like a really harsh colored look. I'm just trying to go for something more neutral, glam and subtle, but not too subtle. I'm just going in with some concealer using a flat brush, and I'm just going to define my eyelids and do a little cut crease in that area just because I'm going to lay some eyeshadow on there and I just need it to pop a little bit. So I'm just going to follow my natural eyelid shade and just go in and apply my eyeshadow down, as you can see. Just making sure that's nice and neat. I'm going to go back ahead and apply a bit of dark brown to my end of my eyelids, and then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step for my second eyes, just making sure everything's well blended. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some concealer to the under of my eyes. That's because I get really bad dark circles, and I do this before I apply my foundation. So I just blend it out with my fingers just so at least it tries to even my skin tone out just a little bit, and it just helps my foundation look a lot better when I put it on. I'm just going ahead to apply some mascara to my eyelids. I do this before I put on my lashes because it helps my lids to stand a lot better and gives clear definition on where to lay my lashes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I love this Black Opal Stick foundation because it gives me really great coverage and it's not overly powering. It sits nicely on my skin and it's very well blended. Like, it looks like my actual skin tone, and you get to see what I'm talking about. Damn, do you see what I'm talking about? That just gives me really great coverage. Right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my concealer and then blend that all out. I'm just going to take a slightly wet beauty blender and blend out that concealer from all the areas I applied it to. And then I'm going to take my setting powder and again set all the areas where I applied my concealer to. Now, I don't like to bake because when I do I get cakey, so I don't bake. I just apply the setting powder like I would apply my normal powder. Now I'm just going to go in with a dark contour shade and I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones. If you're unsure where to apply it, just try an angle from the top of your ears gliding down to your face, and that should help you trace it, or you can suck in like I do just to make sure I get the right areas. And I'm just going to apply that slightly on my forehead and down on my cheekbones as well, just to give me that perfect contour shade. Now I'm just gonna go in with my face powder. Guys, this powder was only £2 from Primark, and I gotta say I just love it, and I've been using it ever since I found it. So I'm just gonna blend everything out together just so it looks seamless. And then I'm going to go ahead with my setting powder and just give a little definition to the bottom of my contour line. And now just apply some lip liners because my lips are naturally defined. So when I wear makeup, I like to re-emphasize on that lip line. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some blusher to my cheeks just to put a little color back in there, add a little life to the look. I just go back in with my powder brush and just blend it all out together, and everything looks a lot more seamless and tied together. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some highlighter to the middle point of my nose and also on my cheekbones. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some setting spray just to bring the whole look together. I'm now going to proceed with unwrapping my hair and just styling it to how I want it to look and where I want my curls to sit. I'm just going back in with some face powder just to blend my forehead in with my hairline so it just all comes together. I'm just having to play around with my hair now just to get it to look how I want it to look and how best it would suit me. But this is the finished look and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, definitely subscribe, and turn on the notification buttons so you can get more updates. Now, thanks for watching.